Welcome to the first video on the REALvision Pro introduction series. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the basics how to navigate through the software. At the top left, we have File, Edit, Updates, and Help. Under File, you're going to find Save Workspace, Export Settings, Import Settings, Application Settings, and Exit. Save Workspace is going to save all your objects in the print area, including manipulations like move or scale, as well as your printer settings. Export Settings is going to export the currently selected printer settings to a file on your computer. And then Import Settings will import those settings into a custom profile that has been used before. Application Settings contains settings related to the look and feel of REALvision, and it's not really used very much, just for printing. An exit, of course, just exits the software. To the right, in parentheses, we see keyboard shortcuts for each of the features. Under Edit are mostly object manipulations, which will be covered in a further video. Under Updates, we have Check for Updates and Get New Profiles. Check for Updates is going to check for updates that would actually update the software, whereas Getting the newest profiles is going to add material profiles from our server that we have created. Help has an About option, which shows some details about the software, a user manual link, where you have a detailed user guide, and there is also a deactivate option where you can deactivate your license. Next, just below that is our left toolbar here. You can minimize the toolbar with this arrow at the top. To import an object, either an STL file or an OBJ file, it also takes PLY and OSF files. Just click the Add Models button, and we'll just go ahead and import our torture test. Torture test models are specifically designed to test certain abilities of your 3D printer. Once the torture test is in the print area, it can be accessed through the manipulations and selected by either clicking on it or going down to the object list and clicking on it here. A window might pop up saying that the 3D model has errors. Many models out there are in fact broken, but REALvision handles most of them anyway, so you just need to click OK. Go ahead and import another one, so we have two objects in the print area and down in the object list. I'm just going to drag and drop this one. You can tell which one is currently selected because it's the blue versus the gray. To maneuver the camera, you can use the right click on any sort of dead space. Click dragging with the right click is going to rotate the camera, and then the middle mouse button, clicking and dragging, is how you pan. The scroll wheel is zooming in and out. At the top, we have a reset camera button and a reset workspace. This is going to reset the workspace to before any sort of object manipulations have been taking place. It's going to ask you if you want to do this before you do so. That's all for our first video. Thank you for watching.